Guys, this is Subhamdeep. Today I will explain the input output function and common use libraries. Okay, so first here you can see that I have a diagram. Wait, please. Yeah, here you can see that I have a diagram which shows the input output categories. Means the simple definition of input output function are is those function which provide any kind of output and provide use any kind of input. Those are called input output function. Okay, the example like printf, scanf, gets, puts, gets yes, like this. Okay, and so first I'm gonna tell you actually what is formatted function. Okay, so formatted function is those function which require any type of any kind of formats for printing and scanning the data, and uses any kind of symbols for scanning and printing that data. These are called formatted function. Okay, like like printf, scanf. These are the example of formatted function. This uses a formatted string like percentage %d, percentage %s, percentage %i, these kind of for printing the data. Okay, and the unformatted function, it does not require any kind of format and any kind of symbols for printing the data. Okay, printing and scanning the data like gets, puts. These are the example of unformatted function. Okay, so first I want to tell you actually first. Here you can see that first I want to tell you what is common use libraries. Okay, so then I will tell you. So here you can see that I have these are the common use libraries. Okay, first CLRSC, I means clear screen. This function is useful for erasing the data from the output screen, and exit function is useful uh, for stop the execution of the program, and will come the cursor, the controller will come out the from the program if we use exit function in the program. Okay, and sleep function is useful for performing the delay between the input and output screen. Okay, if you want to get the output after a limited time period, then you can provide that time here. Okay, and system function is useful for performing the DOS operation, and okay, command operation. Actually, you can perform the command operation using this function, and at that situation you have to use dos.h header file. Okay, and if the command becomes successful, then it provides the one. This function will provide the one, otherwise -1. Okay, this is the difference. And now I'm going to tell you each of things with now I'm going to tell you each of thing with the example. So here you can see that I have example here. I'm just as I told you that the whatever you will write in double quote, it will print on output screen as the same. Okay, so this will print on the output screen as the same. So here you can see that I'm just scanning two values, and here this scanner function is useful for getting the values, and will after get the value, it will save that values on the address of x and address of y. This denotes the address. Okay, so now first I want to run this program. So here you can see that it's asking for any two values, 8 and 7. So here you can see that the values of x and y is 8 and 7. Okay, now this is the pattern. Okay, and also one is another pattern is here you can see that this is a simple now here you can wait please 2 and 6. Okay, so here you can see that the 5 value is just not printing any kind of message, and just printing those values which I provided to the okay program. So this is also the pattern. And now these are here I have told you two patterns. Now I'm going to tell you different thing which is important and maybe in key point. Okay, suppose I am using here uh, 8, and I'm using here 4. So okay, you can see that, and now we will see what actually happen, what will happen actually. Okay, so 5 and 6. So here you can see that here is a gap between those values which I provided. Okay, so here is 8 blanks, here is a 4 blanks. Okay, so this is the difference that. Okay, wait 2 seconds. Yeah. Okay, so here you can see that here is a gap between 5 and 6, and okay, so this is the difference. If we use this, define the width of the variable of the value that will provide to the program. Okay, so learn it, it will be useful. And one another format is uh, suppose here I have a float type values a. Okay, and a has a value actually 2 2.56 something. Okay, so here you can see that. Okay, I have b is equal to 3 point something something. Okay, so here you can see that I have two values, float type a and b. Now just uh, I'm just going to comment this line because it's not usable. Okay, so here you can see that I have taken out two values, float type a and b, and now I'm going to print that values. And point 3.3.4. Okay, and here I'm using 8.2. Here please listen carefully and focus. Here is it value of a is 2.3652685, and the value of b is 3.2652336. Okay, now I'm going to run this program and you will see a different kind of result. Okay, so here you can see that. Okay, wait please, I have to a and b. Okay, so now I'm going to run this program, percentage f and percentage f. Okay, so now I'm going to run this program. Here you can see that the value of a is this, and the value of b is this. Okay, you have just a little problem. So here you can see that the value of a is 2.365, and the value of b is 3.2652, but the actual value is different. But the actual value is more than 3 digits, and here more than 4 digits, because this I am using here 3. Okay, after the point 3, this denotes the number of digit that you want to display. Here I want to, because I put it 3 here, so that's mean after the decimal point it will display 3 digits. Okay, here 1 2 3, these digits will be will be ignored. Okay, will be undisplay. Okay, this is the difference. And here I'm using 4, means after the decimal point the 4 digit will be displayed, like 2662652. Okay, and these 3 digits will be ignored. This is the use of point. And okay, so this is denote the length of the variable, width of the variable, and this denotes the number of digit after the decimal point that you want to print. Okay, so this is also the pattern, and please learn it, it actually useful, and everybody do not know this. And now I'm going to tell you some another thing, which is so here you can see that string percentage s, and here Hello, hello friends. Okay, so here please listen carefully and focus. Here you can see that I'm just printing. These all is not usual. Okay, I'm just printing. Okay, so I'm just printing a string, and percentage s is usual for printing the string. Okay, so I'm going to run this program. So here you can see the hello friend, the string is becoming display. And if I uses percentage point 4, okay, so all digit will not be display. Here you can see that see actually here is displaying only hell, okay, and the other character will not be is not displaying because of I am using here 4. Okay, so these two, I mean point after if we use for after the point, then it denotes the number of digits or number of character that we want to display in the string. Okay, so this is the concept and you can easily learn it. And if we use some digit here, so it's mean that I'm just defining the width of that variable, that string that we want to print. Okay, so this is the concept. If you have any problem, have any inquiry, so please ask me on my channel. And thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget for subscribe. Okay, so bye.